Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your computer class. I hope that you all are well and you all are doing good. So, today we will continue the exercise part of chapter 4th. Section A we have already completed. So, I am coming on section B. Here we have MCQs. Some answers I have written, and those who are not here, you will try to attempt by yourself. Okay. Like first one is, it's a row in a on a data sheet which consists of a number of fields. So it's a record. Okay, in any table a row represents a record. Okay. Second one is, this data item instruct Microsoft Word where to insert data source information in the main document. So for this we use merge field option. We insert merge field. Merge field means the fields that we specify in recipient list, like name, address, city. Okay, so these all merge fields we insert in our document to specify the location of data source. Okay, third one is, to create a new recipient list, select the radio button under the select recipient section. So if you want to create a new list, you don't want to use existing one, so which option you will select? Okay, third one you will do yourself. Fourth one also you will try to do by yourself. Last one, use an existing list option, allow you to pick data source from where you can pick. So see, data source is saved in spreadsheet software. Okay, so you can use existing data source from a spreadsheet. Okay, not from presentation or images. Okay, now here we have one word or one sentence I have written as a sentence. Okay, you can write in one word also. Like first one is, in mail merge, where do we organize data in a tabular form along with the field name? So we organize data in data source. In data source we create recipient list. And second, which tab do you select to execute mail merge option? So we select mailing tab. Mailing is the main tab that we use for creating mail merge, and to execute mail merge we click on finish and merge button. Finish and merge button, and this button is present on mailing tab. Okay, third one is, which option is used to print mail merge in a document? So print document option is used. Okay, and this option is present on mailing tab. And fourth one is, which part of data sheet displays one type of information? So field displays one type of data. Field means the column heading. Okay, which option is used to preview the final mail merge document? So this you will try to find by yourself. Now I am coming to question answer part of this chapter. As only one topic is there in this chapter, so question answers are also not very lengthy. Like in first one, you just need to define mail merge. What is mail merge? Okay, you can write in your own words also, as you all have understood the topic well, and if there is any doubt you can ask me. Okay, so mail merge, it's a feature which is used to send letters with similar information to a number of people with different name and addresses. Okay, you can write in your own words. Okay, second question is, name the documents that are combined while using mail merge feature. So in the beginning, while explaining about mail merge, I told you that in mail merge two documents are combined. First is the main document and second is the data source. Okay, now third question is, what is data source? So data source is consist of mailing list, the list of recipients. Okay, which contains names, addresses, city, pin code, telephone number, etc. Means these type of fields. Now fourth question is, what do you understand by the term merge field? So merge field, it's a data item. Okay, and it instruct the word where to insert the data source in main document. Like in MCQs right now we have read the same line. Okay, so merge fields is a data item which instruct the word about where to insert the data source in main document. Okay, next question is how can you fifth one is what is a main document. So main document is the document which contains the text that we want to send to all the recipients. Okay, the main document contains the text which you want to send to all the recipients. Okay, and the main document remains same for all. Sixth one is how can you view the merged data. So this answer is very short. To view merged data, we use preview results button. Okay, and this preview results button is present on mailing tab. Okay, last question is how will you create a recipient list for the main document. Okay, so for creating a recipient list for the main document, we just have to click on create new recipient list option under the select recipient tab. So choose type a new list option and then choose create option. As you will click on create, it will ask you to enter recipient's details. Okay, try to write these answers by yourself. Later I will share the answer sheet. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care of yourselves. Bye.